up? I'm reviewing my Sling Strike, and yeah, I can't get this on all the way, so yeah. So I'm gonna be testing this out at 3 bullets, and I can't do a review of the opening because I already opened it. So yeah, I'll show you guys the powerfulness, and you'll hear a lot of noise when I shoot this. Alright, so guys, I hope you're looking that way. Yeah, that way. Yeah, that way, that way, that way, that way. Alright, so let's do this. It's just hardcore. Last shot. Looking at the king. There. Alright, so that was my slingshot review. I'm gonna do a video tomorrow for Sling Strike versus another gun. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.